In this video, you'll learn how to embed Google Maps into your Notion pages. This process will allow you to integrate detailed maps directly into your workspace, enhancing your project documentation and planning. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Notion website. Once there, you may need to sign in using your account credentials, if prompted. After signing in, you will see your Notion dashboard where all your pages are listed. Next, locate the option to add a new page. This is typically found in the left sidebar where you can see a plus sign or the phrase add a page. Click on this to create a new page. A blank page will appear, allowing you to start adding content. Once the new page is open, you will see a text box at the top that says untitled. Click on this title box and type in a name for your page. This could be something like map integration or any title relevant to your content. It is important to give your page a meaningful title for easy. After naming the page, type in the command /embed within the body of the page. This command will trigger the embed menu, allowing you to select various options for embedding content into your Notion page. As you type, a drop-down menu will appear showing various options related to embedding. Next, click on Embed from the drop-down menu. A new dialog will appear, prompting you to enter the link you want to embed. This is the step where you will need a link from Google Maps, so ensure you have it ready. At this point, open a new tab in your browser and go to Google. From there, navigate to the Google Maps section by clicking on More Options and then selecting Maps. This will take you to the Google Maps interface where you can find a location you wish to embed. Once you are in Google Maps, search for the specific location you want to embed. After the map displays the location, look for the URL in the address bar. This URL is essential as it will be used to embed the map in Notion. Highlight the entire link and copy it to your clipboard. Return to your Notion page and click on the box that says Paste Link Here. This box will be visible in the Embed dialog you accessed earlier. Paste the Google Maps URL you copied. Ensure that the link is correctly pasted without any extra spaces or characters. After pasting the link, click on the Embed Link button in the dialog. This action will embed the Google map directly into your Notion page. You should see the map appearing within your Notion workspace, allowing you to interact with it directly. Lastly, make sure to save your changes if prompted. You can now navigate around your Notion page and see the embedded Google map. This can be a valuable tool for team collaboration or project planning, providing visual context for locations. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.